Morning, everybody. Joe Chacho here. Happy Monday to everybody. Hope everybody had a great Father's Day. Hope you had a great time with your family. Monday call today, we got Chris Veal on the call from Sagicor. Going to go over some of the benefits of using their No Lapse UL product. I've got some agents using it now, and they think it's an awesome product, so she's going to be on there to answer any questions you guys may have. Yeah, before I put her on the call, I want to go over just two things. On the Thursday-Friday workshop training call, an agent called in Friday afternoon wanting to know if we have those new updated forms on the back end. The answer is yes. Go to the back office, go to the Dropbox, go to the cheat sheet folder, and then go into featured on workshop, and you'll be able to find the cancellation forms in the list of things that when you're at the front door, if you're kind of like got a big old lump in your throat, you don't know what to say, other reasons why people sent the card in, got that long list back there: accidental life insurance, Medicare, med subs, whole life, mortgage protection. So more stuff for you to go back at them when they're unsure why they sent it in and they don't remember truthfully. You can kind of help them out. So one thing, and then we'll put Chris on the phone. Had an agent call me Friday right after lunch and was just getting upset about NSFs. He says, Joe, I've got a lot of NSFs, and a lot of the people are just having a lot of problems on their NSFs. So what happens is that we started chit-chatting and going through the list of how he says it, how he comes about. And what ended up happening is that he's letting the client pick the date that they want to draft their premiums. That's not a bad thing, but yet it's not a good thing for us as agents, for the mere fact is that clients get their checks in either on the first or the third or the second, third, or fourth Wednesday. What ends up happening is that when you let the client pick the date they want, what happens is that they forget that money's coming out of their account to pay for the program you set them up for. So my suggestion is for agents that are having this problem, new agents, is that my suggestion is for you not to give them an option. Tell them, let me explain to you how our program works. It's a very simple program. We're going to do today, I'm going to see if I can get you qualified, and if I get you qualified, what the company does is that they will have your bank send the premiums in for you on the 3rd, and the bank does not charge you any money, and that goes straight from your bank, your lending institution, your financial institution, to the insurance carrier that you qualify for. The company gives you a discount. Now, granted, you've got to find out whether they're on underage disability, get it on the 1st, or they get it on the 3rd, or they're the new seniors that get it on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th Wednesday. So when you find that out, tell them that they get a discount, and that's how the program works. Once you decide that you want to sit and say, well, Mr. Client, I'm going to let you pick out the date you want, what you're doing is that you're actually hurting yourself and you're hurting the client. Because the client doesn't remember. They probably haven't had a lot of bank drafts out of their account. So be smart, find out the date, and tell them this is how the program works. Now, if you get somebody that wants to arm wrestle you and tell you they want it on the 4th because they want to make sure it's there, go back to it. This is how it works. The 3rd is the best date. If it falls on a Saturday or Sunday, you got to make sure you leave the money in there for Monday. If they're really twisting your arm, let them win, because they may be a good client that does pay their bills. I'm going to say 85% of the clients that we deal with, it must be on the exact draft date that their money comes in, that your money comes out. So just put that in the old memory bank, remember it, think about it, and I think you'll have less NSFs due to the money not being there when the draft payment is set up with the carrier. So with that said, I've got Chris Veal on the phone from Sagicor. Been friends with Chris now probably, I don't know, it seems like 37 years, but probably right around a year that we've had him on board with us. And I've got a lot of agents that are using their No Lapse UL, so I asked her to be on the call. And she's our point person in their home office. And at the end, you're going to be able to ask her questions if you got some situations. I've already got a couple agents who've already sent me in. I've got right now, let me see. I've got 3 situations, 3 things that agents want to ask her. So they didn't want to talk, so I'm going to ask for her. So, Jay, open up Chris, please. Chris, are you there?
Good morning, Joe. Yes, I am here.
Good morning. I asked you back on the call. because we've got some agents that love this product. I know this product is a very good product. So what I want to do is just kind of have you go over the ins and outs. I didn't steal any of your thunder on how you do the e-app. So if you can just go through the process on what you guys are looking for, how the process goes on an application, and then from there I'm going to open it up so if they have any questions for you, okay?
Sounds great. Perfect. Thank you, Joe. I do appreciate your partnership and always having us on to join and talk to your agents. I'm really excited to talk about the No Lapse product. I know that there are some of your agents out there that are using this product, and we will get to their questions. But let me introduce the product first to those who haven't heard about the No Lapse Universal Life product that we do offer at Sagicor. So the No Lapse Universal Life is a flexible premium universal life insurance product that is designed to provide affordable insurance coverage for the life of your clients. It also offers built-in lapse protection, guaranteed level premiums, a guaranteed annual interest rate, and we also have an option available in this product to really allow the client to dial in a specific period of death benefit protection, which gives them enhanced flexibility in planning for their future. We can get into some of those scenarios, but I'm going to give you 5 strong reasons why you want to write, or you should look at comparing Sagicor's in No Lapse Universal Life to the normal or the other GULs in the industry that you already write. Number 1, we offer non-medical automated underwriting, but we price the product as if it's fully underwritten.